Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 10.1 of mensuration, question number 12. In this question, two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. The perimeter of triangle is 36 centimeter. What is its third side? So I hope all of you know that in a triangle have three sides. Here two sides are given. Measure of two sides is 12 centimeters and 14 centimeter respectively, and perimeter of triangles is also given 36 centimeter. We need to find here third side of the triangle whose two sides are given 12 centimeter and 14 centimeters. Okay, so perimeter of triangles is, you know that sum of all three sides. Okay, perimeter of a triangle is sum of all three sides. Okay, so here perimeter is given, so we find the third side of this triangle. So we use formula, third side is equal to perimeter minus sum of two sides. Okay, we find third side is equal to perimeter minus sum of two sides. Let's see how to solve it. So here third side of a triangle is equal to perimeter minus sum of two sides. Sides clear. So here perimeter is given 36 centimeter minus sum of given two side. This is 12 centimeter plus 14 centimeter. Clear. So you can write it. This is equal to 36 centimeter minus 12 centimeter plus 14 centimeter is equal to 26 centimeters. Clear. So this is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, third side is equal to 10 centimeters. Okay, see again, two sides are given of a triangle 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter, and the perimeter of triangle is 36 centimeter is given. What is its third side? So we use formula for third side is perimeter minus sum of two sides. So perimeter is given 36 centimeter minus sum of two sides. You can see here 12 plus 14 centimeter, it's become 26 centimeter. So 36 centimeter minus 26 centimeter, this is a 10 centimeter. So in this way we find the third sides of the triangle is 10 centimeters. Okay, I hope all of you understood. This is your solution. Now we are going to discuss next question. Question number 13. Okay, so this is question number 13. Find the cost of fencing of a rectangular park of length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter at the rate rupees 12 per meter. Here in this question, given the rectangular park of length 175 meter and a breadth 125 meters. Clear? And here also given cost of fencing per meter. Cost of fencing per meter is 12 rupees. Okay. So cost of fencing. So first we find the perimeter of rectangular park. Okay. So we use formula perimeter of rectangular park is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. In this way we find length of fence, and per meter cost of fencing is given 12 rupees. So perimeter is the length of fence. Perimeter of rectangular park is the length of fence, and rate of fencing is given 12 rupees per meter. So if we multiply the length of fence by 12 rupees, so we obtained cost of fencing. Okay. So now we are going to solve these questions. Let's see how to solve it. Here you can see this is a rectangular park of length 175 meter and a breadth 125 meter. Clear? So here we can write length of park, means rectangular park, is 175 meters, and the breadth is here of rectangular park is 125 meters. Okay. So first we find perimeter of park, means rectangular park. Okay. So we write here perimeter of rectangular park is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. So here you can see length is given 2 into length is given, what is the length? 175 meter. So 175 meter plus breadth is given 125 meter. Clear? So 2 into sum of this 300, 5, 5, 10, 0, carry 1, 7 to 9, 1, 10, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, plus 1, 3. This is 300 meter. Clear? So the perimeter is 600, 300 to the 600 meter. Clear? This is the length of fence. Length of fence is perimeter of rectangular park. Okay, so first we find length of fence is equal to perimeter of rectangular park. This is already 600 meter. Okay, clear? And the rate is given. What is rate? Rate is given 12 rupees per meter. Clear? So we find cost of fencing. Cost of fencing is equal to the length of fence is 600 meter. This is a perimeter of rectangular park. Clear? And rate of fencing is given 12 rupees per meter. So cost of fencing is 12 rupees. 12 into length of fence 600. Okay, so you can write here 72. Okay, 7,200. This is the cost of fencing of a rectangular park. In this question you can see here this is given rate of fencing, okay, per meter. So we find the length of fence. This is a perimeter of rectangular park is the length of fence. Okay, so here we multiply by 12 into the length of fence. So we obtain 7,200. This is the cost of fencing of rectangular park. Okay, so let's see. Okay, and the question number 13 again. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meter and a breadth 125 meter at the rate of 12 rupees per meter. Clear? So you can see this figure. The length of rectangular park is here. You can see 175 meter and the breadth is 125 meter. Clear? First we find the rectangular perimeter of rectangular park. So you can see here 2 into L plus B. L is length of rectangular park and B is breadth of rectangular park. Clear? So this is a length given of rectangular park 175 meters and this is a breadth. This is also given. Okay, so we sum length plus breadth, we obtain 300 and 2 into 300 is equal to 600. Clear? This is a perimeter of the rectangular park and this is also the length of fence. Okay, because fence is around the park. You can see fence is like this around the park. So the length of park is the perimeter of the park is this is the length of park. Clear? So here the length of fence is 600 meter. So cost of fencing is length of park length of fence into cost per meter. Fencing cost per meter. Okay, this is given 12. So 6 into 12, 12 into 600. This is the rate of fencing, 12 rupees per meter. We have 600 meter. So we multiply 12 by 600. We obtain cost of fencing. So here we find cost of fencing is 7,200. My dear student, I hope all of you understood this question, and now we are going to solve question number 14. This is question number 14 of this exercise 10.1. Find the cost of fencing a square park outside 250 meter at the rate rupees 20 per meter. Here the given park is which types? Square types. In squares all sides are equals. Okay, in squares all sides are equal, and square is regular polygons. Okay, in which all sides and all angles are also equals. But here one side is given 250 meter square park upside. So we find the perimeter because the length of fence is equal to perimeter of square. So here the square of perimeter is equal to 4 into length of sides. So here sides is given 250 meters. Okay, so perimeter of square is 4 into 250 meters. This is equal to 1000 meters. Okay, so this is a perimeter of square park, and this is equal to length of fence. Okay, and here it is given 20 meter, 20 rupees per meter. It means that cost of fencing per meter, cost of fencing of 1 meter is 20 rupees. So we have 1000 meter. So cost of fencing of 1000 meter is equal to what? 20 into 1000. This is equal to 20,000 rupees. Okay, so I hope all of you understood how to solve it. Okay, so now we are going to solve it. Let's see. Here given the length of square park, a side of square park is equal to side of square park. This is given 250 meter. Clear? And now we find the perimeter of square park. Okay, so perimeter of park or square park is equal to what? 4 into length of side, length of side. You know that in square 4 sides are equal. So here length of side is given. What is the length of side? This is given 250 meter. Okay, the length of side of square park is 250 meter. This is equal to 4 into 250 meter. This is equal to 1000 meters. Okay, and after this is given cost of fencing per meter. Okay, but here what is this? This is the length of fence. Okay, so we write length of fence. Okay, fence is equal to perimeter of park. perimeter of park. Clear? Clear? So what is the perimeter of park? 1000 meter. This is given. Okay. So in this we find the length of fence. This is 1000 meter, which is the perimeter of park. Okay. Now rate of fencing. This is given, or you can write here cost of fencing per meter. Cost of fencing per meter is equal to, this is given, rupees 20. Clear? This is given rupees 20, cost of fencing. Okay, this is cost of 1 meters, but we have how meter length of fence? 1000 meter. Okay, so we write here cost of fencing in 1000 meters. Okay, so cost of fencing of how many meter length of our fence? 1000 meter. Okay, this is equal to 20 rupees is the cost of 1 meters, but we have 1000 meter length, so it's become 20 into 1000 rupees, 20,000. Clear? Okay, I hope all of you understood. Here let's see again this question. In this question, the square park is given, which side is 250 meters, and the cost of fencing per meter is also given 20 rupees. Okay, so for this, and we find to cost of fencing of square park. Okay, so for this, first we find the perimeter of square park. You can see here, and the perimeter of square park is 4 into length of sides. So here length of side means square park, side of square park. Okay, so this is given 250 meters. So in this way you find perimeter of square park is 1000 meter. This is a square park. This is the length of fence. Length of fence is equal to perimeter of park. So perimeter of a square park is, we find here 1000 meter. So this is the length of fence. Okay, but here cost of fencing per meter is given 20 rupees. Okay, so we find the cost of fencing of 100 meter, 1000 meter. So in this way we obtain 20,000 rupees. Okay, so I hope all of you understood it. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 15 of this exercise. 10.1. Let's see how to solve it. This is a question number 15. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter Bulbul run around a rectangular park with length 60 meter and breadth 45 meters, who cover less distance. Okay, so first we find the perimeter of a square park and the rectangular park. Okay, so square perimeter of a square park is the distance covered by sweaty, and the perimeter of a rectangular park is the distance covered by bulbul. Okay, so first we find perimeter of this park. After this we compare it, who cover less distance. Okay, so perimeter of a square park is equal to 4 into length of side. So here given side of square park is 75 meter. So perimeter is equal to 4 into length of side. So 4 into 75, this is equal to 300 meters. Okay, so distance covered by suite is 300 meters, and now we find the distance covered by bulbul. Okay, this is a perimeter of rectangular park. So perimeter of rectangular park is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Here length is given 60 meter and breadth is 45 meter. Okay, so 2 into 60 plus 45, this is equal to 210. So the perimeter of rectangular park is 210 meter. It means that distance covered by bulbul is 210 meter. It means that bulbul cover less distance. Okay, so let's check how to solve it. Here we first find perimeter of a square park. Okay, so perimeter of a square park is equal to 4 into length of side. Here length of side is given 75 meter. Okay, so this is equal to 300 meter. Clear? So this distance is distance covered by sweaty. So you can write here distance covered by sweaty. How many distance sweaty cover? You can write here capital S. Okay, so this is equal to what? And distance covered by sweaty is equal to 300 meter, because sweaty runs around the square park whose side is 75 meter. This is given. So first we find the perimeter of square park. Okay, this is 300 meter. So it means that the distance covered by sweaty is 300 meter. Okay, now we find perimeter of rectangular park. Okay, so perimeter of rectangular park is equal to 2 into L plus B. Clear? This is the length plus breadth. Okay, so here given length is 60 meter plus breadth is 45 meter. Clear? So this become 2 into 105 meter. Clear? So this is equal to 210 meter. Okay, so this is the distance covered by bulbul. So you can see here bulbul is cover less distance because sweetie cover 3000 distance, 300 meter distance. Sweetie cover 300 meter and bulbul cover 210 meters. It means that bulbul cover less distance. Okay. In this way you can see here bulbul covered distance covered by bulbul is equal to 210 meter 210 meters, and this distance covered by sweetie is 300 meters. So if you compare it, you find that 300 is greater than 210. It means that bulbul cover less distance. I hope all of you understood this question. Thank you for watching.